Right, students, quickly we will discuss page number 29, question number 8. Page number 29, question number 8. After discussing this question, we will move into discuss petty cash book. Last year we discussed theoretical part related to petty cash book. Today we will discuss few questions. Right. Then before that, we will discuss page number 29, question number 8, cash book. Cash book with discount columns. Okay, right. Right. Ramai, last year I gave you this question as homework. Please check your answer. Some of the students send me the answers. Right. Please check your answer. Right. Look at the question 8 here. Manek business has following balances as at 1st September 2023. Right, question number 8 here. Manek business has the following balances as at 1st September 2023. Cash balance, debtors, Stavnik, Naveen, capital balance. Capital you need to calculate here. Assets minus liabilities. Then creditors, Mahisha, 38,000, Naina, 29,000. These are the opening balances. And then here, following transactions took place during the month. These are the transactions. Here you need to prepare a cash book with discount column and then 11 ledger accounts. I think lastly I informed you to prepare the trial balance also. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. We will prepare the trial balance as well. Students, trial balance is chapter 11. Chapter 11 trial balance. Okay, right. Today we will discuss few petty cash book questions, 1 or 2 questions. Then and after that, next day, next Tuesday onwards, we can discuss chapter 9. Therefore, to discuss chapter 9 in next Tuesday, today we will discuss 1 or 2 petty cash books. Right. Quickly, we will discuss now this question number 8. Right. Now, please check your answer. Here, prepare the cash book. Cash book with discount column. Cash book with discount column. Right. Here, Lamai, cash book. Cash book of the business organization. Cash book. Cash book. Then here, cash book has 2 sides, debit side and credit side. Debit side and credit side. Then here, right. Cash received date. And then cash paid date. Cash received date, cash paid date. Okay, and then receipt number. You need to write down receipt number here. And then here, voucher number, payment voucher number. Payment voucher number. And then here, description. You need to write down the description. Description, and then here, description. Here also description. Description. And then here, LF. Page number of the opposite ledger account. LFOLP. LFOLP. And then discount allowed in the debit side. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. Okay. Memorandum column. Memorandum column. Discount allowed. And then discount received. Debit side discount received. Discount received. And then here amount. Amount of value. Amount of value. Amount of value. Amount of value. Right. Amount of value. Right. And then Right. Cash book opening balance first September. September 1st. September 1st. Cash book balance brought forward how much? 80,000. Cash book balance brought forward 80,000. Cash book balance brought forward 80,000. And then debtors. Debtors are assets of the business. Debtors are assets. Therefore, here saving account, saving account, saving account, saving one of the debtor. First September balance brought forward saving how much? 62,000. Saving balance brought forward 62,000 saving. Naveen balance brought forward how much? 48,000. Naveen balance brought forward. Naveen balance brought forward. Naveen account. I will prepare P account, P accounts, because I don't have enough space in this whiteboard. For September, balance brought forward how much? Naveen, 48,000. Naveen, one of the asset of the business, one of the asset. Naveen, 48,000. Dilla my capital, we'll calculate the capital. Now we'll calculate the capital of the business. Capital. We will calculate capital of the business. Capital account. We'll calculate. And then Manisha, Manisha, one of the supplier. Manisha account, Manisha account, Manisha, one of the supplier. Balance brought forward from the credit side. Balance brought forward from the credit side of Manisha. Then here, Manisha balance brought forward credit side for September. Balance brought forward 38,000. 38,000. And then Nayana, another supplier, Nayana. Nayana account. Nayana account. Now Nayana for September balance brought forward how much? 29,000. Right. 29,000. Right. Opening balance is okay. Now you need to calculate opening capital balance. Opening capital of the business should be equal to balance the trial balance. Otherwise, you can't balance the trial balance of the business. Okay. Opening balances should be equal. Opening assets of the business should be equal to opening liability, equity and liability. If opening balances are not equal, you can't balance the trial balance of this business. Okay, therefore, how to calculate opening capital? Assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities. Then remaining balance belongs to owner. Remaining balance belongs to owner. Then students, right? What are the assets here? Cash 80,000 asset. And then saving debtor 62,000. Opening asset. Naveen opening assets 48,000 Naveen. Right. Right. Then my opening assets how much? Total amount. Opening assets amount how much? Opening assets 190,000. Opening assets of the business 190,000. Then opening assets minus opening liabilities. Here, students, Manisha and Nayana opening liabilities. Total amount how much? Total amount Manisha and Nayana. Total amount 67,000. Is it correct? Opening liability 67,000. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes or no? Lamai opening liability 67,000. Is it correct? Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct, ne? Right. Right, Lamai. Then opening capital balance. Now you can calculate opening capital balance. Right. Lamai, 123,000 opening capital balance. Opening capital balance 123,000. Then here for September, balance brought forward opening capital 123,000. 123,000. Right now, opening balance is equal. Opening balance is equal. Opening balance of the business is equal. Right now, we can prepare the trial balance of the business. Okay, after recording all the transaction, now we can prepare the trial balance. Transaction is trial balance is chapter 11. Chapter 11. Right. Now my opening balance is equal. We prepare the cash book. Right. Now we will start the question. So why didn't we take capital as a debit to the cash book? No. Here, Setum, this capital balance is the opening capital balance. Okay, here, I did last month or last year, yes, last month closing balance. This month opening balance. Here, it is that 123,000 is not a capital introduction by the owner. Okay, when he started this business, he introduced capital to the business. These are the opening balances. Therefore, this 123,000 we can't debit into cash book. If owner provided additional capital, then we can record. These are the opening balances. Opening balances. For the opening balances, already they have passed double entries. No need to pass double entries again. Okay, no need to pass double entries again. They have properly passed double entries. May to Savini account, Naveen account, Mahisha account, Nayana account, for this 80,000, they have properly passed double entries. Setu, is it clear? Setu. Okay, right. Right. Okay, right. Right. Then look at the question. Look at the question. Here, first one, 2nd September, bought good for cash 18,000. Bought good for cash 18,000. Right. Purchase stocks on cash basis. Then how to record? Cash outflow. Then cash book credit. Cash book credit. 2nd September, here purchases 18,000. Then insurance, cash book credit, purchase account, debit. Purchase account, debit. Prepare the purchase account of the business. Purchase account. This is a purchase account. Purchase account. 2nd September, cash 18,000. Cash 18,000. Okay, then cash book credit, purchase account debit. Now in grade 10, grade 10 as well as in grade 11, if you know the double entries, you can get marks. Therefore, try to practice double entries. Extremely important double entries. Most of the time, examiner tests double entries from you. Even in the grade 11. Okay, the grade 11. Double entries extremely important. If you know the double entries, you can manage questions. That is why I am practicing double entries. But then you can quickly get marks. Extremely important, huh? Right. Then cash book credit, purchase account debit. Right. Second transaction, 8 September, cash received from Savini 12,000. Then cash inflow. Cash inflow, cash book debit. Then cash inflow, cash book debit. 8 September, Savini 12,000. Received cash from Savini 12,000. Then cash book debit, Savini account credit. Savini account credit. 8 September, cash 12,000. Cash 12,000. Huh? Savini account credit. Savini account credit. Savini account credit. Savini account credit 12,000. Cash book debit. Savini account credit. Next one. Cash shares 18,000. 17th September. 17th September. Cash shares 18,000. Cash book debit. Sales income account credit. Cash book debit sales. Debit sales 18,000. 18,000. And then sales income account credit. Prepare the sales income account. Prepare a sales income account. Sales account credit 17th September, cash 18,000. Okay, then my cash book debit, sales account credit, cash book debit, sales account credit. Okay, then right. How we are doing cash book, cash book. Right, and then 18th September, after discussing this question, we are going to discuss petty cash book. We are going to discuss few petty cash books. Right, 18th September, 10% discount was allowed when the amount owed to Naina 10,000 was settled. Naina, one of the supplier. Yes, Naina, one of the supplier. Here, 18th September, 10% discount was allowed when the amount owed to Naina of 10,000 was settled. Okay, our business organization going to pay 10,000 to Naina. Then Naina allowed the discount to us. We received a discount from Naina. Our business received a discount from Naina. Then here, Lamai, here 10,000 into 10%, how much? 1,000. 1,000. Cash paid amount how much? 9,000. Cash paid amount 9,000. Then here 18 September, Naina, cash paid amount 9,000. Cash paid amount 9,000. Discount received amount from Naina 1,000. Cash book credit, Naina account debit. Payable to Naina debit. 18 September, cash 9,000. And then again 18 September, discount received 1,000. Discount received from Naina 1,000. Cash book credit, discount received account, Naina account debit. 9,000. Then this discount received later we can credit into discount received account. Total amount of the discount received we will credit into discount received account. Okay, right. 19th September, 5% discount was allowed to Naveen. We allowed to Naveen. Receivable from Naveen 48,000. 5% discount was allowed to Naveen when he settled his due of 12,000. Our business allowed a discount to Naveen. Then here receivable amount from Naveen 48,000. But when he going to settle, when he going to pay us 12,000, we allowed the discount. Allowed the cash discount allowed. Cash discount allowed to Naveen. And then here Naveen receivable amount 12,000. 5% discount. Naveen, how is the 5% discount? 10% 1,200. 5% 600. 5% 600. If it is 10%, 1,200. Then if it is 5%, 600. Half 1,200, half 600. Then insurance cash received from Naveen how much? 11,400. Right. How to record now? Then here 19 September, Naveen from Naveen we received 11,400. Business organization collected 11,400. Discount allowed amount 600. Discount allowed amount how much? 600. Then Naveen account credit. 19th September, cash 11,400. 19th September, discount allowed. Here discount allowed 600. Okay, please check your answer. Lastly, I inform you to complete this question. Lastly, homework. Okay, right. 22nd September, shop rent paid 10,000. Business paid shop rent. Cash outflow. Cash book credit. 22nd September, rent expense paid by the business 3,000. Cash book credit. Rent expense account debit. 3,000. Rent expense account debit. 22nd September, cash 3,000. Okay, cash book credit, rent account debit. Next one, 25th September. 25th September. Right. Next one. 25th September. 500 discount was deducted when 9 hours settled 9,000. When we pay, yes, with our business organization, try to pay 9,000 to 9, and then 9 gave us 500 discount. 25th September. September 9, then students paid the amount how much? When 9 hours settled, then paid the amount 8,500. Discount received amount 500. Discount received amount 500. Cash book credit, 9 account debit. 9 account debit, 25th September. Cash 8,500. And then 25th September, discount received. Discount received 500. Discount received from 9 500. Right. Pahasara, can you see the board? Pahasara.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next one. Naveen had sent a check of 9,100 after deducting 900 as discount. Naveen sent us a check. In O level, we assume not only cash deposit, not only cash transaction, we can record receipt of checks in the cash book. In the cash book, we can record receipt of check. And then when we deposit it, later our business organization deposit that check in the bank. When we deposit that check, that debited check, cash book credit, bank account debit. Until we deposit in the bank account, that check we can deposit, we can record in the cash book. Okay, right? One of the specific double entry we discussing only in O level. Only in O level is Srina. Normally, check transactions, check deposits, we can record in cash book. But in O level we discuss receipt of check, we can debit into cash book until we deposit that check in the bank account. So then here, Naveen send us a 9,100 check. Right then, 25th January, 25th September, Naveen send us 9,100 check. And deducted discount is 900. Cash book debit, Naveen account credit. Naveen account credit means cash 9,100. And then 29th September, discount received, sorry, discount allowed 900. Discount allowed 900. Okay, cash book debit 9,100. Naveen account credit 9,100. Last one, 28th September, a 5% discount received when 4,000 was settled with Mahisha. Here our business going to pay 4,000 to Mahisha. Then Mahisha gave us 5% discount. 5% discount. Then 4,000 into 5%. Here 10% 400, 5% 200. Then cash paid amount 3,080. Then insurance here 28th September, Mahisha cash paid amount 3,800 and then discount received amount 200. Right. Right. That is the question number 8. That's the question number 8. Now you need to balance out this ledger accounts as well as cash book. Right. Then you can prepare the trial balance of the business. You can prepare the trial balance of the business. Right. Right. Now I then discount allowed total amount how much? Discount total amount 1,500. Then the discount allowed total amount expense of the business. Therefore, discount allowed account debit. Discount allowed account debit. Naveen credit. Then here I will prepare discount allowed column here. Discount allowed account here. Discount allowed account. Discount allowed account. Debit. Here 30th September. Debtors credit. Naveen debtors credit. Debtors credit, discount allowed account, debit 1,500. Discount allowed. Discount received, total discount received 1,500, 1,700. Total discount received 1,700. Total discount received. Then total discount received 11.
Excuse.
Yes.
Sir. Sir, for Mahisha's account on 28th of September, only for the cash book you had written Mahisha 28th of September, but you haven't written the double entry.
Yes. Mahisha account debit, 20 September cash 3,800, and then 20 September discount received 200. Done right? Okay, I think right. Okay, it's done right. And then discount allowed account debit, then discount received 1,700. Discount received account debit. Discount received account. Discount received account credit 30th September. Creditors, make creditors account debit. Naina creditors, Mahisha creditors, creditors account debit, creditors 1,700. Okay, yeah. Discount received account credit, creditors account debit, creditors account debit. Okay, fine. Now you can calculate the closing cash balance of the business. Closing cash balance of the business. Lamai, total cash receipts how much? Total cash receipts of the business. Total cash receipts how much? Total cash received 80,000, 12,000.
130,500.
100.
30,500.
Yes, right. 130,500. I then transfer this amount to credit side. 130,500. Then 130,500 minus total cash payments. Now you can calculate balance carried down. How much balance carried down? Closing cash balance how much? How much the closing cash balance? 88,200. Yes, sir, right. Balance carried down 88,200. Right, balance carried down. Here balance brought forward. 30 September balance carried down. 1st October balance brought forward. BBF 88,200. But now you need to balance of all the ledger accounts. Right, then after balancing of all the ledger accounts, right, together debit balances and credit balances, you can record with the trial balance. Trial balance should be equal. Trial balance of the business, trial balance. This is a trial balance. Trial balance. Trial balance belongs to chapter 11, huh? So yes, chapter 11. Trial balance. Trial balance. Alright. Debit and credit. Debit and credit. Debit and credit. Okay, like cash book. Cash balance how much? Cash balance 88,200. Please check your answer. 88,200 cash balance. Savini closing balance line. I'm not going to balance of all the ledger accounts. Here, Savini's balance how much? Savini's remaining balance how much? Savini. Remaining balance of Savini how much? 50,000. 50,000. Savini's balance 50,000. Discount allowed 1,500. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. Debit 1,500. Discount allowed. Debit. Discount received. Discount received. Credit side 1,700. Discount received. Naveen closing balance how much? Naveen. Please check your answer. Naveen closing balance 40,000 minus 10,000. Naveen closing balance 26,000. You can balance. You can balance of four ledger accounts. Okay. Please check your answer. Naveen closing balance 26,000. Naveen. Capital account 123,000. Capital. Capital credit side balance brought forward in the capital credit side 123,000 capital. Mahisha, closing balance 38,000 minus 4,000, 34,000. Mahisha, 34,000 closing balance. Mahisha. Naina closing balance. 29,000 minus 10,000 and 9,000. Naina closing balance 10,000. Naina closing balance 10,000 credit side. Balance brought forward from the credit side Naina. Purchase account 80,000 debit side. Purchase account 80,000 debit side. Purchase account. Purchase account debit side 80,000. Please check your answer. Last year I informed you to do this question. You need to check your answer. Sales 80,000. Sales. I will remove minus here. Minus 20,000. Right. Sales. Sales 18,000 credit side. Right. And then rent expense 3,000. Rent expense 3,000. Rent expense 3,000. Right. Balance should be equal. Now how about the balance sheet figure? Balance.
178,700.
100.
178,700.
All right. 178,700. Yeah, right. 178,700. All right, please check your answer. Right. Right. Balance is equal. Question number 8. Right. Today we'll discuss few petty cash book questions. Huh? Right, Lamai. Check your answer. Okay, then right. Then shall we start petty cash book? Last year we discussed the theory. Okay, we'll start now. Huh? Right. Later you can check the now you can watch the recording as well by looking at the recording. Watch the recording. You can check the answer. You can check the answer. Question number 8, page number 29. Cash book. Huh? Right. Right. Now we will move into petty cash book. Last year we discussed theoretical part of petty cash book. Right. Today we will discuss questions. Right. Ramai, this is a homework last day. Yeah? I gave you this homework last day. Right. Right. Students will start petty cash book. Huh? Okay then. Naditi, okay, Naditi. Okay, right. Sarah, okay, Sarah.
Yes.
Right. Devi, cash book clear or Devi?
Yes, sir.
There, right. Now, we'll discuss this petty cash book question now. Look at the question here. Right then here, following are the information regarding the payment of petty cash payments of a business of Anik business. Anik business during the month of March 2023. Anik, one of the student is in my Nugegoda class. Wesley College student. Wesley College student. Right. Following are the information regarding the payments of petty cash payments of a business of Anik business during the month of March 2023. Petty cash interest is how much? 2,500, which was received on 1st March 2023. Petty cash interest 2,500. Okay, yeah. Petty cashier received 2,500 from the main cashier. Petty cashier received 2,500 from the main cashier for petty cash expenses. Okay, to pay for petty cash expenses. By then, petty cashier is the responsible person to handle the petty cash system of the business. He need to prepare petty cash book and then petty cash payment vouchers. Okay, he's a responsible person. He's a responsible person. I tell you, specific amount given to the petty cashier for petty cash expenses is called petty cash interest. Petty cash interest. Specific amount given to the petty cashier by the main cashier for petty cash expenses. It is called petty cash interest. Petty cash interest. Okay, then right. Look at the question. These are the transactions. Postal transaction, postal, traveling, refreshment. Likewise, here you can see some of the transactions of the business. And then, 1st April, petty cash amount reimbursed by the petty cashier, main cashier. Reimbursement of the main cashier, 1st April. And then here, prepare petty cash book using following analysis columns: postal, traveling, entertainment, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means sundry expenses. Okay, miscellaneous or sundry. Different type of petty cash expenses. Sundry expenses, miscellaneous expenses, and ledger accounts. These are the columns: postal, traveling, entertainment, miscellaneous, and ledger accounts. Right, now we will draw the petty cash book. Petty cash book. In the petty cash book, when you prepare in petty cash book, again I will explain you some of the things regarding petty cash book. Right, Lamai, prepare a petty cash book. Will prepare. Okay, don't look at the textbook. Okay, prepare petty cash book with me. Okay, right. Page number 31, question number 12. Page 31, question number 12. Question number 12. Right, prepare the petty cash book. Right, Lamai, petty cash book debit side. Petty cash book debit side receipt. Petty cash book debit side. Here debit side, this side is credit side. Petty cash book, debit side and credit side. Okay, and then now we need to draw one of the column here, LF column. Page number of the LF column, LF. Page number of the main cash book. You need to mention here. Page number of the main cash book. If main cash book is available in page number 69, here you need to write down 69. Page number 69. Okay, right. 69. Okay, right. And then students, here write down a date. Date. Okay, petty cash received date and petty cash paid date. And then description. Description. Description column common to debit side as well as for the credit side. Date column and description column common to debit receipt and for the payments of the visas. Right. Receipt, left, date, description. And then here you need to write down voucher number. Petty cash voucher number. Voucher number of the petty cash book. Voucher number. Voucher number. Voucher number. Voucher number. Okay. Petty cash payment voucher number. Petty cash payment voucher number. And then here you can pay. You can write down payments. Petty cash payments of the visas. Petty cash payments. Petty cash payments. Petty cash payments. And then you need to draw analysis columns. Here analysis column. Analysis columns. How to analyze petty cash expenses? Here they have given postal to record postal expenses. One of the column postal. And then to record traveling expenses. Traveling. And then to record entertainment. Here we'll write down entertainment. We'll draw another column entertainment. Entertainment line. Entertainment. And then to record miscellaneous. We will write down miscellaneous as sundry expenses. Sundry. One of the name for miscellaneous expenses is sundry expenses. It is easy. We write down here sundry expenses. Sundry expenses. And then here other ledger accounts. Other ledger accounts. And then here another LF line. LF. Ledger page. Ledger folio. Now I quickly draw the structure. Right. Look at the question, students. Right. Question 12 here. Petty cash impress was 2,500, which was received on 1st March 2023. Main cashier paid to the petty cashier 2,500 on 1st March. Specific amount given by the main cashier to petty cashier 2,500. Petty cash impress. Here date 1st March. Description. Main cash book credit, petty cash book debit. Description cash. Okay. Main cash book credit, petty cash book debit. And then received to the petty cashier how much? 2,500. Received to the petty cashier 2,500. 2,500. Okay, there. Right. Petty cash book debit. 2,500. Petty cash book debit. Right. Right. And then right. Here, 4th March, voucher number 1, postal expenses 130. When the 4th March. 4th March, postal expenses, postal. Voucher number 1, paid amount 130. Paid amount 130. Then postal expenses, you need to categorize to postal. Write down under postal expenses, postal. Postal 130. Okay, the postal 130. Okay, right. Next one. 5th March. Traveling expenses, traveling expenses. Voucher number 2, total amount 170, paid amount 170. 170. Traveling expenses, you need to categorize under traveling. Traveling 170. 170. Now here you can record sundry expense or miscellaneous expense. Anything is okay. Anything is acceptable. Sundry expense or miscellaneous expenses. Right. Traveling 170, 170. Next one. Refreshment expenses 280. 6th March. Refreshment expenses. Refreshment expenses. I don't have enough space. Refreshment expenses. Voucher number 3. 280. Refreshment expenses we will categorize under entertainment expenses. Entertainment. Refreshment expenses 280. Entertainment expenses. Refreshment expenses. Okay, right. Next one. 7th March. Stamp. 7th March. Stamp. 4th one. Voucher number 4. Yes, stamp. Total amount 130. Payment for stamp we can categorize under postal expenses. Postal expenses. Payment for stamp. Postal expenses. And then 8th March. 8th March. Voucher number 5. Traveling. Traveling expenses 80. Categorize under traveling. Categorize under traveling. Categorize under traveling. And then 9th March. Payment to Nimesh. Now my payment to Nimesh. How to record payment to Nimesh? Payment to Nimesh, voucher number 6. 210. Using the petty cash of the business organization, they paid to a supplier. 210 paid to supplier. And there's a separate account to Nimesh. There's a separate account to Nimesh. Therefore, this 210 you need to record on the other ledger column. In the other ledger column, you need to record this 210 payment to Nimesh. Nimesh has a separate account. Into that account, you need to debit this 210 payment to supplier. Then this 210 recording the other ledger item. 210 payment to Nimesh. Payment to Nimesh. Okay, right. 10th March. Triso charges. Triso charges 250. Voucher number 7. 250. Then Triso charges we will record under traveling expenses. Under traveling expense we will record this 250 traveling expenses. Triso charges traveling expenses. Okay, right. And then 11 March. 11 March. Voucher number 8. Carriage inward expenses. Ramai, what do you mean by carriage inward expenses? 256 carriage inward expenses. Carriage inward expenses means Ramai 11 March carriage inward expenses. Carriage inward expenses means stocks transportation charges, inventory transportation charges. Okay, if you purchase stock from Matara, then from Matara to Colombo, transportation expense, carriage inward expense, carriage inward. Carriage means bringing carriage inward to the business. Carriage inward expenses, bring into the business, transportation cost. Ramai, that kind of carriage inward expenses, we need to record in a separate account. We have a separate account to record carriage inward expenses. Carriage inward expenses are not belongs to petty cash expenses. Okay, to the purchases of the business, we need to add carriage inward expenses when we prepare a financial statement. Therefore, carriage inward expenses we can't categorize under traveling. That is stock transportation cost expenses. Then we need to record under other ledger column. Other ledger column. 256 other ledger. 256 other ledger column. And then 12 March. 12 March. Refreshment expenses. Refreshment expenses. Portion number 9. 190. Refreshment expenses 109. 190 refreshment expenses. And then 190 record under refreshment expenses under entertainment expenses. We'll record under entertainment expenses. Refreshment expenses. Refreshment expenses. Entertainment expenses.
Sir, can't we put carriage payment to the traveling column?
No. That is not travel expense. Stock transportation expense. Inventory transportation expenses not belongs to traveling. That is not traveling. Transportation cost. Travel expenses means employees travel expenses.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's clear. Right. Right. Next one. Refreshment expenses, entertainment. Pen and pencils. 30th March. Pen and pencil. Portion number 10 was 70. Lavai. Pen and pencils, how to categorize? Pen and pencils. Here we don't have special category to record stationery expenses. Normally, pen and pencils we need to record on the stationery expenses. But here there is no stationery column. Therefore, pen and pencil purchases we can record under sundry expenses, miscellaneous expenses. Under miscellaneous expenses, write down pen and pencil is 170. 170. Miscellaneous expenses, sundry expenses. And then 14th March. 14th March. Cleaning expenses. Cleaning expenses. 14th March cleaning expenses. How much? 220. Cleaning expenses 220. The record cleaning expenses also under sundry expenses, miscellaneous expenses. We don't have a separate account to record cleaning expenses, therefore record under sundry expenses. Now, if we have more postal expenses, we can allocate a separate line column to postal. If we have more travel expenses, we can open the travel expenses line. If you have more entertainment expenses, we can record entertainment expense in the entertainment line. If you have more stationery expenses from the petty cash book, then we can open a separate column for stationery expenses. That is depend on the nature of the business. Okay. In this business, in this business, there are few stationery transactions. Those few stationery transactions we can record down the sundry expenses. There are few cleaning expenses. Few cleaning expenses we can record under sundry expenses. But if we have more petty cash expenses or cleaning expenses, we can open a separate column. But anyway, in O level, we need to limit petty cash analysis column only up to 5 columns. 5 columns, including other ledger line. Okay, normally we categorize petty cash expenses into main 3 lines and then sundry expenses. And after that, other ledger. Other ledger. Anyway, we need to limit that petty cash book to only 5 columns. Okay, but in exam, examiner provide you how to categorize these petty cash expenses. Therefore, no need to worry about that. No need to worry about that. Okay, ne? examiner වාට දෙනවා petty cash expenses කොහොමද categorize වෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා examiner වාට දෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒකනේ worry වෙන්න එපා. Okay, right. තමයි. Right, quickly calculate. Quickly get the total balances here. Here the total balances. Here the total balances. How about the postal expense total? Quickly get the total balances. Right. Postal total 260. Traveling total 500. Entertainment total 470. Sundry expenses, miscellaneous expenses total 390. Other ledger total 466. Okay, they're done. And then take the total here. Tamai, you can take total of these columns. Okay, to this line. It is easy. It is easy. Take the total of these columns to here. $20,086. Is it correct? 2086.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. 2086. Right. Right. Now we will look at how to balance out the petty cash book. Postal total amount 260, traveling total amount 500, entertainment total amount 470, sundry expenses total amount 390, other ledger total amount 466. Then total amount of the total column 2086. 2086 total amount. 2086. Okay, then right. Am I now how to balance out petty cash book? Here, please look at carefully. Please look at carefully. Right now here, when you're balancing of petty cash book, you need to leave a line here. You need to leave a row here. You need to leave a row here. Okay, you need to leave a row here, and then Draw two parallel lines. And then please draw two parallel lines. You need to leave a row here. And then please draw two parallel lines. Yes. And then now then here, debit side total amount how much? 2,500. Fine. Fine. There. Debit side total amount 2,500. Then take this 2,500 to here. Balancing of a ledger account. Petty cash book has 12 functions. Acting as a ledger account, acting as a primary book. Debit side total amount 2,500. Debit side total amount how much? 2,500. Then transfer this 2,500 to this side. Transfer this 2,500 to this side. Okay, ledger account 2,500. 2,500. Transfer this amount to debit side, credit side. And then now 2,500 minus 2,086. Remaining petty cash balance how much? 2,500 minus 2,086. Remaining balance how much? Remaining cash balance in the petty cash how much? How much remaining cash balance how much? Remaining cash balance?
440.
Yes. 440. Remaining cash balance 440. Balancing of a ledger account. 440 remaining balance. 414. Then here this amount when 31st March balance carried down. Right? 31st March balance carried down. And then next month, April month, balance brought forward. Opening balance of April month. Then here, 1st April, balance brought forward. 1st April balance brought forward 414. Balance carried down 414. Balance brought forward 1st April 414. 414. Okay, balance carried down 414. Balance brought forward 414. April month. Okay, and then here 1st April expenses reimbursed. Expenses reimbursed. End of the month, petty cashier need to hand over these petty cash bills to the main cashier. And then main cashier check these petty cash bills. After checking all the petty cash bills, main cashier pay some amount equal to last month expense to petty cashier. Last month total expense 2,086. That amount again 2,086. The remaining balance 414. Right, then some amount equal to last month expenses. Last month expense 2,086. Then 2,086 reimbursed by the main cashier to petty cashier on 1st April. Then 1st April cash 2,086. Cash 2,086. 1st April cash 2,086. Right now balance available with petty cashier increased to 2,500. Okay, balance available to petty cashier increased to 2,500. Here, main cashier repaid 2,086 to petty cashier. Okay, they're done. Setum, okay, Setum?
Okay, sir.
Finish, right. Pasara, okay, Pasara done. Pasara.
Yes, sir.
Right. Manager, okay, they're done, manager.
Done, sir.
Right. Now you need to prepare relevant ledger account, relevant other ledger accounts. Personal expenses 260. Then personal expenses, you need to debit here, petty cash flow credit. And then personal expense account debit. Prepare the personal expense account. Now in the exam, you will prepare structured format. Structured format of ledger account. Here personal expenses. Personal expenses. Now my petty cash book credit. Personal expense account debit. 30th March. 30th March. Petty cash. Petty cash. Here 260. 260. Petty cash book credit. Personal expense account debit. And then prepare travel expense also. Travel expense. Travel expense account. Travel expense account. Travel expense account here. 30th March. Travel expense 500. Here petty cash. Petty cash. Okay. Petty cash book credit. Travel expense account debit. And then entertainment. Same. Prepare entertainment account. Entertainment account. 30th. Here 31st March. March ne? Yes, March 31st. March 31st. 31st March. 470. Entertainment account debit 470. Petty cash. Petty cash. 470. And then sundry expenses. Miscellaneous expenses. For miscellaneous expenses, you need to open another account. Sundry expenses here. 31st March. Petty cash. 390. Petty cash book credit. Sundry expense account debit. Miscellaneous expense account debit. If examiner asks you to draw miscellaneous expense account, you need to write down this as miscellaneous. If he has mentioned sundry, you can write down sundry. Both words we can see in the textbook. And then here personal expense account debit, travel expense account debit, entertainment debit, Sunday expense debit. And now for the other ledger accounts balances, you need to open separate accounts. Separate accounts. To Nimesh, separate account. To carriage inward, separate account. For carriage inward, separate account. Then to Nimesh, prepare Nimesh account. Nimesh account. 31st March. Nimesh account debit 210 petty cash. Petty cash. Nimesh account debit 210 petty cash account credit. And then 256 carriage inward. For the carriage inward, you need to open separate account. Carriage inward account. Carriage inward account. 31st March. Petty cash 256. 256. Carriage inward account debit 256. Okay, ne? Petty cash account credit, carriage inward account debit. And then not only that, you need to mention here LF, page number of the opposite ledger account. Postal expense page number you need to mention here. LF. Okay, then done, finish. Complete the answer. Right, Lamai, quickly start question number 13. Question number 13. In this question number 13, petty cash impress amount should be 5,000. Find out this balance as 5,000. Okay, write down this petty cash impress amount as 5,000. Right. Right. Lamai, quickly start question number 13. Start and send me answers. Send me answers. Yes, quickly send me answers for this question. At least send me petty cash book. No need ledger accounts. At least send me petty cash book for this question. Come on, quickly start and send me answers. We'll complete question number 13 today. Yeah? A question similar to last question. Please complete and send me answers for this question. Right, this is the question. Question number 13. I got the answer from Krishna. Right, Krishna answer is correct. Huh? 4,172. Yes, yes. Right, Krishna correct. Answer is correct, Krishna. And then Naditi. Naditi's answer. Yes, correct, Naditi. Yeah, April 1. Yes, yes, yes. Naditi here, petty cash reimbursement, first May. Okay, Naditi.
Okay, sir.
First May reimbursement. Again, what about Naditi, right? Tanvi. All right. Right, Tanvi answer is correct. Right, Tanvi answer is correct. Right. All right, Devi also okay. Then we get a answer correct, Devi.
Sir, did you receive my work?
Ah, yes, I got it. Right. Setu, you need to check the answer. Here, total is, I think, incorrect. Setu. Total amount is 4072, right?
Sir, can you please put the question again on the screen?
Right, here, Anita. Yes, I got this as now. Total balance you need to check again. Inoki, check the total amount. This is na total amount. How much the total amount? This is na you need to get the total amount here. Total medical expenses here. Total amount. Okay. Yeah, in your question, I think 4,000 some amount. Total amount here. And then petty cash interest amount 2,500 transfer to this side. 2,500. Then 2,500 minus total cash payments. Then remaining balance here.
No, sir, I cut that 4,172 and then I again wrote 5,000.
No. Here the balance should be 4,000. How much? 4,000? 4,700. How much?
When we subtract 4,172.
Yes. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, it should be 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Then transfer 5,000 here. Then 5,000 transfer to this side. Then from this 5,000, right? Credit side total payments how much? 4,172.
Yes.
4,172 unit write down here. 4,170. Then 5,000 minus 4,172. Remaining balance how much? Here. First write down.
820.
820. Right. 820. Then April 30th April, and then 1st May. 1st May balance brought forward 820 in your answer. Then here again 1st May cash 4,172. 4,172. Okay, you can check the answer. The total amount is also incorrect. You check the answer, Inuki. All right, Professor answer is correct. Not Professor Setum. Yes, Setum answer is correct. Huh? Right, Setum, okay, right. Like, what about others? Isra, semi answers, Isra. Professor, semi answers, Professor. Rushda,
Sir, I sent you, didn't you receive?
Rushda. Huh? Ah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes. I got answer. Tanvi, semi answers, Tanvi.
Sir, I
Vinuja,
already sent.
Tanvi, semi. Ah, yes, yes, I got the answer. Right. Vinuja missing.
Yes, sir.
Right, semi the answer, Vinuja. All right, Saki, the answer is correct, huh? Saki, the answer is correct, Saki. 260, 340, 560, 260, 160, 420, 500, 512, 380, 340. Oh, yes, Saki, the answer is correct, huh? Saki.
Okay, thank you.
All right, right. Okay, okay, all right. All right, I got the answer from, all right. Right, this is answer is okay, huh? This is not. This is a reimbursement. No, this is a extra. Reimbursement you need to write down now. First May 4,172 reimbursement you need to write down. Okay, the extra
Okay, sir.
reimbursement of petty cash. Where's that? A passer. The passer. Passer here. Passer. Right. Passer. 5,000 you need to write down in the same row. 5,000. Okay. Total amount 4,172. Then you need to leave one line. Then 5,000 in the same row. 5,000. Then 5,000 transferred here and then here 5,000 minus 4,172 balance carried down 820 and then below the 5,000 line what do you write down balance brought forward first May 820. In this line you can write down. Now in this line you can write down. Okay, Professor.
Okay, sir.
In this line you can write down anything. Then here below this 5,000 line make a pahali clear no 5,000 pahali clear no. Make balance brought forward first May 820. And then again, cash first May 4,170 reimbursement of petty cash. Main cash account credit, petty cash account debit. Okay, then.
Okay, sir.
Right. Right now, petty cash book. Question number 13 is over. Question number 14 next day we'll discuss. Question number 14 next day we'll discuss. Okay, 14 we'll discuss next day. And I will give you, I will send you next tube, last tube. Okay, work pack 5 I will send you now. Please get the printout. We'll try to start that tube next Tuesday. Okay, in that tube I have included bank account, bank reconciliation, and then correction of figures and all those things. Okay, right. Right, then we'll stop for the day. Okay, right. Right, good night. Okay, right. Okay, good night. Okay.